All right, today we're going to be evaluating expressions. It's going to take up one page, so on page 61, it's a little 5. We are evaluating expressions. Okay, so on page 61, we're going to glue down the page. It looks just like this. Our title is Evaluating Expressions. And our page number, I believe, is 61. Okay, so when we're evaluating expressions, they are giving us an expression and then telling us what the variable equals. So it says to substitute the given value, which is just the number, for a variable. Put the value in parentheses, and we want to do that because remember that when a letter and a number are side by side, that means they're being multiplied. So if we have 4a, that really means 4 times a. Okay? But if a equals 9, so if we put 9, that looks like 49. If we put it in parentheses, we know that that means 4 times 9, which is really what we want to do. Okay, so if a equals 3, solve 4a divided by 2. So we've got 4a divided by 2. We're going to substitute a for 3. So 4 parentheses 3 divided by 2. Okay, then we're going to do PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so I know it looks like we have parentheses, but remember that that parenthesis really means that we are multiplying. So we don't have any parentheses or any exponents, but we do have multiplication and division. So we work it from left to right. 4 times 3 is 12. Bring everything else down. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our answer is 6. Next it says if b equals 6, solve b squared minus 7. So we've got b squared minus 7. Substitute in 6 for b, so 6 squared minus 7. Following order of operations, we're going to do exponents first. 6 squared means 6 times 6, which is 36, minus 7. 36 minus 7 is 29. If b equals 9, solve 8b divided by 12. So we've got 8b divided by 12. Substitute in 9 for b. Remember your parentheses, so it doesn't look like 89 divided by 12. It's 8 times 9 divided by 12. So from left to right, 8 times 9 is 72. Bring down, divided by 12. 72 divided by 12 is 6. Next, if a equals 7, solve a squared plus 6. So we've got a squared plus 6. We're going to substitute a for 7. So 7 squared plus 6. 7 squared means 7 times 7, so that's 49, plus 6. 49 plus 6 is 55. Okay, if x equals 2, y equals 4, and z equals 6, solve 3z minus y plus x. Okay, so we've got 3z minus y plus x. Now we're going to do some substitution. 3, z was 6, so parentheses 6, minus 4 plus 2. Okay, order of operations says to do multiplication before we subtract and add. 6 times 3 gives us 18, minus. Now at this point I can see that my parentheses aren't needed. So I can drop my parentheses or you can keep them. It doesn't really change anything. So 18 minus 4 plus 2. 18 minus 4 is 14. Bring down your plus 2. 14 plus 2 is 16. And last, if x equals 2 and y equals 4, solve y squared plus 6x. Okay, so y squared plus 6x. Now we substitute. 4 was y, so 4 squared plus 6 times 2. Exponents comes first. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Then we have 16 plus 12, which gives us 28. And that's how we evaluate expressions.